6-Step Success Guided Meditation by Narayan Chandra Roth. A life coach, a mentee of Mitesh Khatri, India's leading law of attraction coach. Let's start our meditation. Welcome to the 6-Step Success Guided Meditation, a powerful practice designed to guide you into a deep state of relaxation and inner peace. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel your body sinking into a relaxed state. Use any regular meditation deepening techniques or countdowns you are familiar with to reach a deeper level of mind. Phase 1. Relaxation. Start by relaxing your physical body. Feel your scalp relax, and let this sensation gently flow downward to your forehead, eyes, and eyelids. Allow this relaxation to move through your face, throat, neck, shoulders, hands, chest, abdomen, thighs, knees, calves, feet, and toes. Feel the sensation of relaxation flow all the way down to your toes, bringing you into a deep, relaxed state of mind. Phase 2. Consciousness expansion. Draw your attention to your consciousness, most likely felt within your head. Focus on this consciousness and let it expand to encompass your entire body, picturing it as a white light emanating from your head and surrounding your entire body in a white bubble. Imagine this light expanding further, encompassing everyone in the room, your neighborhood, city, state, country, continent, and finally the entire planet. Feel connected to every living creature, plant, animal, and human on Earth. Phase 3. Gratitude. Bring to mind 5 to 10 things that made you feel grateful, joyful, and happy in the last 24 hours. If you can't think of enough incidents, expand to the last 3 days, week, or month. Reflect on things that happened at work, during travel, in your free time, with family, or with loved ones. It could be something big or small, like a warm cup of coffee in the morning. Express gratitude and bring back the feelings of joy and the emotions you felt when these incidents occurred. Make these memories as vivid as possible, incorporating all 5 senses: taste, sound, touch, smell, and sight. Feel the gratitude flow throughout your body. Phase 4. Removing negative charges. Think of someone you might have a negative charge with, whether it's a waiter, a coworker, or a family member. See this person in front of you and apologize for any wrong you may have brought to them, acknowledging that at a deeper level, we are all one and connected. Ask them to forgive you and imagine their forgiveness moving towards you, straight to your heart. Repeat this exercise with as many people as necessary to clear any negative charges. Phase 5. Visualizing the perfect future. Visualize different aspects of your life as they will unfold in the next 3 years. See moments of joy, achievement, beauty, accomplishments, and success. Let this be a free-flowing imagination exercise. Remember to incorporate all 5 senses. What will your health and body look like? What does your family life look like? Who are your friends, And how do you spend time with them? What new skills are you learning? What acts of service are you contributing to your community or the world? Visualize your career, finances, and new traits you've developed. Make these visions vivid and full of emotion. Phase 6. Visualizing the perfect day. Visualize your perfect day today. If doing this exercise in the morning, imagine your perfect day from when you leave the house. If doing this at night, visualize your perfect day starting in the morning. See yourself having an amazing breakfast, a wonderful commute, a productive workday, spending time with friends and family, enjoying a delicious dinner, working on a creative project, and having perfect sleep. Make this daydream vivid, incorporating all 5 senses and emotions of joy, excitement, and gratitude. Conclusion. Call upon any higher power you believe in, be it a god, saint, angel, guide, or the force of life itself. Ask this higher power to bless you, give you luck, energy, and support, and help you craft your perfect day and realize your dreams for the next 3 years. Feel this supportive energy embracing you, knowing that luck is on your side and the universe has your back. Ending the meditation. As we conclude, I will count from 1 to 5. When I reach 5, you will open your eyes, feeling wonderful, rejuvenated, positive, and optimistic. You will be ready for your perfect day and to see your life unfold in beauty and success over the next 3 years. 1. Take a deep breath and feel yourself becoming more aware. 2. Feel energy returning to your body. 3. Start to move your fingers and toes gently. 4. Open your eyes slowly, feeling refreshed and renewed. 5. You are now fully awake and ready to embrace your perfect day. Thank you for joining the 6-Step Success Meditation. Have a wonderful day and may all your dreams come true.